Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keon of Key Investments, and on my channel we discuss various topics including personal finance, savings, dividend investing, and just general financial literacy. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and hit subscribe below and let's get started. So I just got this card in the mail from Robinhood and I'm pretty excited. Just check it out. I've been waiting like 6 months for this card. Basically, it's a cash management card. So any unused cash you have in your portfolio, you'll be able to use it on this debit card that they just sent me. So I've been excited for it. Not only that, but there's a very high APY. I think it's 1.8% as of right now, return on your uninvested cash. So it's like holding a cash position is still making you money. So even if you're not actively using the debit card daily, it's still beneficial because even as your money sits in the account of your portfolio on Robinhood, you're still making money. So let's just jump right into it. Here is what it came in. I've seen a lot of other unboxing videos with the Robinhood cash management card, and this usually isn't the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I've got, so it's an envelope, kind of a folder. It just says Robinhood and its little logo, and on the back it's just got my address and a disclaimer regarding the APY and the cash management feature in general. So here we are. We've got the folder here. I open it and this is what it has inside. It's just a folder, not even just a piece of paper folded in half, really. What is this? I've seen all these other unboxing videos and usually it's a lot cooler than this, what they package the cash cards in, the cash management cards in. So I don't know what this is about, y'all. Like, if you've gotten your card already, I'm sure you've got to like have like a box that kind of opened real cool. I was kind of looking forward to that. Where's that? The aesthetic. I wanted to see that. But this is what I got. I don't know if they just packaged it this way so that we could speed up the process. They could speed up the process of getting these cards out because the waiting list is so long. It's like 1 million people literally waiting for these cards. So I don't know, but I'm not impressed with the packaging. Like, this is flimsy. I feel like I would get better packaging from my bank. So I'm gonna just say I'm less than impressed with this packaging, Robinhood. I don't know why you guys jip me and I look at other people's videos and they've got super nice packaging when they receive it. It comes in a nice like yellow envelope, like it's a real package, like from Amazon or something. And then I get this flimsy envelope, like basically a flimsy card, like looks like a birthday card or something. But whatever. Here we are. Still got the card. Cards are here on the left side of the folder, and it's got this funky design on the background of the card. And then on the other side it says it's time to do more with your money, and then it just says 1, 2, 3, and it's like the how to activate your card. So it just says activate your card. 1, spend, and then 2 is spend, withdraw, and invest, and then 3 is earn interest on the rest. And then it has this Robinhood logo on the bottom. So this is it. Like, I guess so. I mean, the card's pretty cool though. I can't lie. The card's dope. I'm still impressed with it's still probably the coolest card that's gonna be in my wallet. So this is the debit card. It's got like the Robinhood logo, kind of metallic looking, and then the MasterCard logo. And then it's just half black, half clear. It's interesting. I've never seen a card like it. So that's something, I guess. On the back of the card, it has support.robinhood.com, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I was expecting a little more, but I guess I'll keep this video short. So now they're handing out pamphlets instead of, I'm assuming, unless, I don't know, I just don't know. This is the birthday card I guess I got from Robinhood. That's it, fellas and women. So yeah, I don't know really what this is. Like, I was really expecting different packaging. I'm kind of disappointed. I have to be honest, I'm kind of disappointed that this is the packaging that I got for this cool card. But I'm still thankful that I got this card finally. I had been on the list for, like I said, like months. So I'm happy about that. But I guess this will accelerate the process of getting these cards out to people that have been waiting for so long. So that's one, you know, silver lining in this situation. But other than that, probably not planning on using this card much, honestly. I'm just gonna be holding on to it, letting it collect the APY, the 1.8 APY, and that's just it. So now that I've gotten the cash management card, my Robinhood account layout is a little different. I have a new area now where it says cash, and so before it was just stock. It just said stocks and then my list of stocks, but now it says cash, and it just shows the amount of cash that I have in my portfolio, which is also the amount that I am able to withdraw or spend off of my cash management card that I just got. And that's also my buying power in my portfolio. So they also have this new tab, it's cash. Once I used to click on this tab, it used to say what number in line I was waiting. But now that I'm not waiting any longer, it shows me the specifics regarding the card. So it says that my cash earning interest is 1.3% on the amount of cash that I have in my portfolio, which is $2,386. And so far this month, and it's the 4th, I've made 40 cents interest, and they will be paying me March 31st, 2020. And last month they paid me an interest of 75 cents. The card hadn't even come in the mail yet, and I was already earning interest off of my cash in my portfolio. And that's pretty much it. I've received the card. I'm gonna go ahead and activate it pretty much now. I'm not able to do that on camera, of course. I'm actually skeptical about showing you guys this in general. The thing that kind of blocked out most of it. That's pretty much how your portfolio is going to look from now on. After you have the cash management card, you're going to have a separate area where it shows you the cash amount available for withdrawal or use, just for your leisure, or use in this portfolio, the Robinhood portfolio. Also, back up, it's been crazy in the markets lately, and I'm back up somewhat, $250 today. I don't know how I feel about the volatility. I'm happy I've gotten, I'm back up in the green, but I'm also just kind of skeptical about how volatile the market's been lately. So, yep, still recovering though. So that's that. And yep, until next time, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and share and like my video. And until next time, guys. See you soon.